We'll guide you through how to configure Stripe payment options so you can start accepting payments seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you want to click on the Payments tab on the left-hand side to manage your payment settings. Now, look for the Payment Methods section. This is where you can enable different payment options like credit cards, ACH, and digital wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Click on Add Payment Method to start enabling the options you want to offer your customers. Make sure to follow any prompts to complete the setup for each payment method. For example, if you're enabling Apple Pay, you'll need to verify your domain. Stripe provides easy-to-follow instructions for each method, so you won't get lost. Once you've enabled your desired payment methods, head over to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Under Business Settings, select Payment Settings. Here, you can customize additional options like currency preferences and payout schedules. Select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu, and consider setting up automatic payouts to streamline your finances. Don't forget to review your settings to ensure everything is correct before going live. Now you're all set to start receiving payments through Stripe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.